Okay. Bro, looking at your stats. Lock in, man. This is my rank up game. I don't care, bro. Just play better. No, okay. Fuck, man. How do I die there? What is my supposed doing? They're not healing me at all. Oh my fucking god. Bro, how did you not kill him? How did you not kill him? Oh my god, you're going 1 and 10. You're actually fucking up my game. You're taking the piss. Okay, winnable. No! Oh my god, there's no way we lose that shit. Oh my, bro, we can't end on a loss. Play another one. I don't care if it's 4 a.m. It's the summer holidays. Play another one.